This ultimate DIY home office setup will transform your workspace into a productive haven. Start by selecting a spacious and well-lit area in your home. Clear out any clutter and create a blank canvas to work with. Invest in a comfortable ergonomic chair that provides proper support for long hours of work. Set up a sturdy desk that suits your needs and provides ample workspace. Consider adding adjustable monitor stands to optimize your viewing experience and reduce eye strain. Create a designated storage area to keep your supplies organized and easily accessible. Personalize your space with inspiring artwork and decor that reflects your style and boosts creativity. Invest in a high-quality desk lamp to ensure optimal lighting. Finally, incorporate plants into your workspace to enhance air quality and create a calming atmosphere. With this ultimate DIY home office setup, you'll be motivated and productive in no time.